The standard of living in Singapore has been growing rapidly throughout the years, and it comes with a price. Studies have shown that Singapore is the second most expensive city in Asia to live in. With the rising cost of living such as transportation, housing and water supply, it might be hard to keep up. Furthermore, the rate of electricity has been rising in the past few years, and recently it has increased by 6.9% at the last quarter of 2018. It might not seem much, but it will collectively add up and Singaporeans will feel the pinch. Some homeowners resort to cutting down their usage of electrical appliances, like turning off the air conditioner and such. That could be one solution. However, what if we tell you you can further reduce your electricity bill? Let us tell you more. iSwitch is an electricity retailer licensed by Energy Market Authority of Singapore (EMA). We offer competitive price plans. With iSwitch, you save up to 21% off your current regulated electricity tariff. And enjoy a range of sign-up perks like free aircon servicing, free AIA personal accident protection, and so much more. Why pay more when you can pay less? Green energy has always been on the forefront of iSwitch's dedication to cleaner energy. And as such, all price plans signed up through the iSwitch website are green certified. This is a great time to save on costs while joining the cause. Oh, by the way, if you sign up with iSwitch from now till 30th June 2019, you will be in the running to win 1 year of free electricity for your home. So switch and win today. You may be one of the 4 lucky winners across Singapore. Pay less for your electricity with iSwitch and sign up now at iswitch.com.sg.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.